Hello friends, this is Dr. Supriyo and you are watching my channel Homeocare Tips. Friends, you might have got lots of tips about maintaining your hair growth or reversing your hair loss from different YouTube channels or from different health advisors. But what I am going to tell you today, 5 easy steps to control your hair loss, reverse your hair loss and improve the quality of your hair. Just you have to follow these 5 easy steps in your day-to-day routine and you will definitely notice improvement in your hair fall and as well as in your hair quality within 4 to 5 weeks. And if those steps continued for more 10 to 12 weeks, then I can give you the assurance that you are definitely going to get the best result from it. So the first and most important thing that you need to add in your diet is biotin. Now this biotin is more important for those who are suffering from alopecia areata. Your hair fall will go down drastically if you are consuming biotin every day or at least every alternate day. Biotin can be found in enough quantity in eggs. You can have 2 eggs in a day to get enough biotin for your hair growth. You can also get biotin from tomatoes and from potatoes as well. But eggs are the best source of biotin. It helps a lot to reduce your hair fall and it also helps in improving your hair quality as well. So this was the first tip. Now talking about the second tip, I would suggest you for omega-3 fatty acid. Now again, omega-3 fatty acids are available abundantly in fish or fish oil, especially in fishes like mackerel and salmon. And if you are vegetarian, then you will have to go for flaxseed. So flaxseed or linseed are also good source of omega-3 fatty acids. So the first two requirements, biotin and omega-3 fatty acids, are very crucial for improving the hair quality and to reduce the hair fall as well. Now let us talk about the third tip. The third tip is enough zinc. Now zinc is one of those minerals which is not easily available in foods. But having said that, mushroom and broccoli are the two vegetables which has ample amount of zinc in it. So better add these two food items in your diet. Thus it will enhance your hair to regrow faster than its normal speed and it will also improve the thickness of your hair. You could find out that your scalp has become much denser, much granular than before. So the next tip is using a shampoo which is chemical free, which is absolutely a herbal product. In that case, you can definitely use Arnica homeopathic shampoo. I usually prefer my clinic patient to use Arnica homeopathic shampoo, which has shown tremendous result in controlling dandruff and hair fall as well. So the next and the last tip is massaging done through your fingers and massaging at the scalp level with the use of Jabrandi mother tincture mixed with few drops of coconut oil, which is easily available, and Jabrandi mother tincture is also easily available at any homeopathic store. So take 10 drops of Jabrandi mother tincture and 10 drops of coconut oil and mingle it properly. Then start applying on your scalp. You will have to make a habit of doing this every day before going to bed at night. So just follow these 5 simple steps and see that within around 4 to 5 weeks the quality of your hair is improving, and within around 10 to 12 weeks you will see that your hair fall is going down drastically, reversing of hair loss and good hair growth happening without any other medication. So that's the end of today. I hope you people really liked it. If you people really liked it, so don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more latest video regarding health and homeopathy. So thank you very much and have a good day.